Does chewing gum while doing homework help your brain focus and feel more relaxed versus not chewing gum? Researcher Craig Johnston from Baylor College of Medicine in Houston, Texas, discovered that students who chewed gum on a mathematics test scored higher than those students who did not chew gum during the test. However, researcher Harry Hollingsworth studied the same experiment that Craig Johnston did and found that chewing gum had little effect on anything because students who chewed gum during the math test did the same as students who did not chew gum. My hypothesis is that by chewing gum while doing homework, it could help you concentrate and even make you finish faster than without chewing gum. For my experiment, I had 2 trials. One with chewing gum and one without chewing gum. My first trial was without chewing gum. I had 2 subjects. Each subject did 15 problems of math, addition, multiplication, and subtraction. I found that the first subject missed 4 problems out of 15 and did the problems in 1 minute and 33 seconds. Subject number 2 finished all 15 problems and got all of them right in 1 minute and 17 seconds. On trial number 2, I gave them both a piece of gum, and the results were that subject number 1 got all 15 problems right and did them in 1 minute and 11 seconds. And subject number 2 missed 3 problems out of the 15 and did them in 1 minute and 32 seconds. Subject number 1 confirmed to me that she was too concentrated on doing the math problems that she forgot that she was chewing the gum. So that made me think that by her chewing the gum, it focused her on only doing the math problems, which resulted on her getting them all 15 right. While subject number 2 stated to me that because he was chewing the gum, he was too focused on chewing the gum than the actual math problems, which distracted him to do the math problems. After both experiments were done, I analyzed them, and I found that subject number 1 did better with chewing the gum than without chewing the gum, and subject number 2 did better without chewing gum than with chewing the gum. Because subject number 1, and without chewing the gum, she missed 4 problems out of the 15 and did them slower than with chewing the gum. Because with chewing the gum, she got all 15 problems right and did them faster. I also analyzed that subject number 2 did the problems slower with chewing the gum and got 3 problems wrong, when without chewing the gum, he got all of the problems right in faster seconds. My results. I concluded that my hypothesis was slightly correct because I thought that by subject number 1 and 2 chewing the gum, I thought that they would be more concentrated and focused on their math problems and get them all right and actually do them faster than without chewing the gum. But in reality, they tested the opposite. One subject did better without chewing gum than with chewing gum, and one subject did better with chewing gum than without chewing gum, and did the problems faster with chewing gum than without the chewing gum. So I found that curious, and I concluded that it just depends on the way your brain works if you like the distraction of chewing gum while doing your math homework or math test or any school-related thing than without chewing the gum.